Have you ever wondered what it's like to live in space? Imagine floating out of bed, literally. Your breakfast doesn't need a plate, it floats too. This is the reality for astronauts living on the International Space Station. They orbit Earth at incredible speeds, seeing multiple sunrises and sunsets each day. Their office window? A view of our blue planet from 250 miles up. But it's not all fun and games. Life in space is full of challenges. Astronauts have to adapt to a zero-gravity environment where even simple tasks like eating or using the bathroom require special techniques. Imagine trying to eat soup from a bowl while floating. Despite the challenges, being an astronaut is a dream job for many. They get to conduct important scientific research, contribute to our understanding of the universe, and inspire future generations. Their experiences provide valuable insights into human adaptability and the potential for space exploration. So what does an average day look like for these space travelers? Let's find out. Space is beautiful but harsh. One of the biggest challenges is microgravity. Our bodies, designed for Earth's gravity, have to adapt. Muscles and bones weaken without the constant pull of gravity. Astronauts exercise for 2 hours a day to counteract this. Then there's radiation. Earth's atmosphere protects us from harmful radiation from the sun. In space, astronauts are exposed to higher levels. Spacecraft and spacesuits offer some protection, but long-term exposure is a concern. Perhaps the least talked about challenge is isolation. Imagine being millions of miles from home with limited contact with loved ones. Astronauts are carefully screened and trained to cope with the psychological demands of space travel. They stay connected through video calls and emails, but it's not the same as being home. Let's face it, life in space is different. Take sleeping, for example. Astronauts sleep in special sleeping bags strapped to the walls. Why? Because they could drift around and bump into things in their sleep. And forget showering. It's all about sponge baths with specially formulated no-rinse shampoo. Food is another adventure. Gone are the days of fresh produce and sizzling steaks. Astronauts dine on pre-packaged meals that are either rehydrated or heated. Think space spaghetti and dehydrated ice cream sandwiches. Not exactly gourmet, but it does the job. Despite the lack of home comforts, astronauts find ways to make their temporary home in space cozy. They listen to music, watch movies, and even celebrate holidays with special meals and decorations. They might be millions of miles away, but they still find ways to connect with their humanity and each other. Section 4. Dealing with the waste management in space. Let's talk trash, space trash. It's not like you can just toss it out the airlock. Astronauts have to manage waste carefully. Everything is collected and either brought back to Earth or launched into space to burn up in the atmosphere. Going to the bathroom in space is a whole other story. Specialized toilets use airflow to collect waste. It's not glamorous, but it's essential for hygiene and health in the confined environment of a spacecraft. Waste management might not be the most glamorous aspect of space travel, but it's a crucial one. It highlights the challenges of living in a closed environment and the importance of resourcefulness and sustainability. Section 5. Tech triumphs. Keeping astronauts alive and thriving. None of this would be possible without amazing technology. Life support systems provide breathable air, clean water, and a comfortable temperature. These systems are incredibly complex and vital for keeping astronauts alive and well in the harsh environment of space. Waste management systems are equally crucial. From toilets to air filters, these technologies help maintain a clean and habitable environment inside the spacecraft. They are a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to overcome challenges. And of course, we can't forget the iconic spacesuits. These technological marvels are like miniature spacecraft themselves, providing astronauts with oxygen, protection from radiation and extreme temperatures, and the mobility to work outside the spacecraft. Section 6. The future of space, our journey among the stars. As we continue to explore space, we'll face new challenges and develop even more incredible technologies. From inflatable habitats on Mars to spacecraft powered by ion propulsion, the future of space exploration is full of exciting possibilities. Imagine a future where we have permanent settlements on the Moon and Mars, where humans become a multiplanetary species. It might sound like science fiction, but with continued investment in space exploration, it could become a reality. But it's not just about rockets and robots. It's about pushing the boundaries of human knowledge, understanding our place in the universe, and inspiring future generations to reach for science. Are you ready to join the journey? Like, share, and subscribe to this amazing channel. Learn more about space exploration. Explore the possibilities. The universe awaits.